Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Cameron by Champion Homes. This is a new model that they just came out with. And let's take a look. So first of all, we do have this board and bat siding on the front, as well as this craftsman style door. And the light. All right, so when you first walk in, you do have this little foyer area that is kind of separated from the living room. It is its own designated space over here. Let me show it to you. So when you walk in, you could put a little table there for your keys, a little mirror, maybe some coat hooks. That would be really cute. The door is black on the inside as well as the outside. I would like to first start off saying, by excuse the fire alarms, they just turned the power on. This is a show house. We are actually at the factory where they build these. Very cool. They are rolling out a ton of new standard features as well. So I will be pointing those out to you guys. Check out this fireplace. Very, very pretty. It's got a blue flame to it. It does have this really cool, almost stone, crackly kind of style around it, which is very modern, very pretty. They also have this wainscoting as like their feature wall. And we're gonna jump straight into the kitchen. Look at her. This is the Cameron. Very cute. Okay, so this drop-down tray ceiling is standard for this model specifically. We do have some upgrades in here, as like this countertop is quartz. This is an upgrade that you can add to any of their homes, as well as the flooring is LVP flooring. That is an option you can upgrade. They do have the big one bowl sink. They do offer options for dividers. We got the faucet, pull down faucet. You'll notice that this home does have all the black hardware. Those are optional, but we have it on the cabinets, the lighting, the faucets. The bathroom has them as well. One of their standard features that they're adding is that all their cabinetry is now soft close. Used to just be the cabinets, not the drawers. Well, now it's going to be the cabinets and the drawers. This home does come with a couple different drawers, lots of storage. We've got the pots and pan drawers down here as well, and they are soft close. We got the tile backsplash in white. Little window right here. Dining room. This is the kitchen area, and off of that we have your back door, which includes your laundry room right here. Your power box, like I said, they just hooked up the power for display purposes. We are at the factory. Champion Homes. All right, so I'm going to show you these bedrooms. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This home does come in multiple different sizes, so they're going to have different floor plans with the same house. It's just different sizes in case you want a little bit more square footage. This is the smallest one they have. I believe it's a 56. Then it goes up to a 60. It could be off. I'll put that in the description for you guys. Here's that closet for this bedroom. Does wrap around in there a little bit. All right, I'm cutting the guest bathroom in because I forgot to show it. For some reason, I just kept going. Just a guest bath, ton of drawers, counter space, tub shower combo with the window. So one of their standard features that they're going to be rolling out is going to be this 8-inch baseboard molding throughout the whole entire house. This is going to be a new standard feature. Not an optional upgrade, a standard feature throughout. Very cool. Also, while I'm at it, another standard feature that's going to be standard in all of Champion's homes are 9-foot ceilings. 9-foot ceilings. On top of that, all of their doorways and doors are going to be 8 foot. 8-foot tall doors. If that's not a statement, I don't know what is, because definitely people would be noticing that in my house. With the panels on the doors, very pretty. And they have the door handles too. I'm going to open this door for you so y'all know what's back here. It's just a little coat closet. And it does have an 8-foot door on it too, and it's just a coat closet. Black hardware. Okay, we have the master. We do have the black hardware on the fan. These windows are upgrades. They're like extra long windows. We do have our closet right here. And our master bathroom. So we have this huge shower. This shower is kind of new to Champion as well. This is like a one-piece ceramic panel. One piece. Prefer this over tile personally because it's easy to clean. There's no grout. A lot less maintenance. If I could redo my shower over again, I'd probably pick that. We have a ton of drawers, ton of cabinets. These mirrors are LED light up mirrors. Here is the tub, soaker tub. I do really like how they keep the faucet separated from the tub and it's on the floor. And it does have the sprayer so you can wash your hair because we are coming in 2025. And this should be like a standard, just saying. Got the wainscoting they brought in to make the home seamless. We got all this storage space as well. It does have a shelf in there, and they are soft close as well. But you just have a ton of storage. We are at the factory, so they're coming back from lunch. Toilet's right here. Kind of has a wall separating it from the bathroom a little bit, which I really like. And I am going to get you guys all the details on this house, including pricing. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Hey guys, it's Liz and I'm back in my office. I have all my notes here on the Cameron 1. There is going to be a Cameron 2, Cameron 3, etc. Maybe Cameron 4. It is going to kind of follow like the Contender 1, Contender 2, if you know what I'm talking about. The only difference in them is size. So we were actually looking at a 52-foot long version. That's the Cameron 1. Then it jumps up in 4-foot intervals. So it's going to jump up to a 56 and then a 60. And then they're probably going to be doing a 64, which would give you an option for a 4th bedroom if you want a 4th bedroom option. I don't have a floor plan on that one yet because it's still, I guess, in the works, but I do have some 3-bedroom version floor plans, and you can do an upstairs on this one as well. While we're on that topic, I did forget one new standard feature that they're going to be implementing, and that is smooth ceilings, which I know is a big bonus for a lot of my clients because they don't like the textured ceilings. Even if it's not popcorn, even if it's just that sponge texture, any type of texture, they're getting away from that. They're going to be doing smooth, which is really cool. Not a lot of companies offer smooth ceilings, so bonus point for Champion for stepping up. So without further ado, I'll put that retail ballpark pricing right here. And this is Champion Laurinburg of North Carolina, and they are more East Coast centered. Champion does have a lot of factories across the United States. Not all Champion factories make the same floor plans. So keep that in mind. Might not be able to get this floor plan if you're further from North Carolina. But just check with your salesperson. They should be able to get that figured out for you. I will be putting a lot of information in the description below, as well as a link to my link tree so you can see all the homes that we offer. These floor plans, however, I do not believe are on Champion's website, so I will clip them in now. Alrighty guys, I hope you loved this home tour, and if you did, please like and subscribe and maybe watch the next video. I don't know.